Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction, no? So today, man, we are on our third track, no, para sa ating journey sa pag-react sa Complex EP ni Philip, no? And now we have Criminal, official visualizer. This is one of the most requested song na unahin natin dito sa Complex EP, no? Dami nag-request ngayon, ito yung sunod natin, ito, maganda daw to, maganda nga yan. So, we're here, no? And at the same time, I'm so excited, no? Kasi yung title niya is Criminal. I don't know if you know, if you guys already know this, no? Pero, I'm actually a big fan of Eminem, no? Siya yung dahilan kung bakit ako, kung bakit nagustuhan ko yung rap music. And ba't ako nagsimulang mag-rap, no? And isa sa mga paborito kong kanta niya is yung Criminal. I know, medyo explicit and medyo brutal yung meaning ng kantang yun. Pero at the same time is yung lyricism and yung mga flows na meron sa kantang yun is, man, it's a chef's kiss, no? I mean, alam ko hindi para sa lahat yun, no? Pero yun, I mean, I got excited sa title ng kantang to, Criminal, no? So, I'm really excited, man. Without no further ado, let's get it.
I'm a criminal, what can I? Take it off tonight. I don't wanna music, I just wanna fuck.
Again, man. The vocals, man. Kung, kung, for example, like, let's say, Bulan, no? For example, dalawang kanta pa lang na mapakinggan mong kanta ni Philip sa buong buhay mo, no? For example lang, no, napakinggan mo tong Bulan, tapos sinunod mo tong Criminal, hindi mo makakalain na siya to, eh. Hindi mo makakalain na siya to, di ba? Gaya tayo sa Bulan na, Bakunawa. Ganun yung boses. Bilang ganda yun. No? I'm a criminal. Can I? Iba na naman yung boses eh. Lang yan. Pwedeng gumawa si no? Pwedeng gumawa si Philip ng kanta, no? Na iba-ibang flow, iba-ibang boses, man, no? Hindi ka mananawa eh. And again, wait. Tas yun, yung ano ba yun? Hindi naman mukha ni... hindi mukha niya yun. Hindi Philip yun. Nung drawing dito, layo. Oh? I mean, siguro, meron. Hey.
I'm a criminal, what can I? Take it off tonight. I don't wanna music, I just wanna forget. Need an antidote, yeah. I'm a criminal, what can I? Take it off tonight. I don't wanna music, really hate to break it. Ain't this clip to me, yeah.
Liquor drawn so high, we're spinning a why.
See what I just says, man? Ha? Pwede siyang kumanta na pwede siyang kumanta or gumawa ng kanta, no, na siya lang mag-isa sa iba-ibang boses eh. Akala ko may mga featuring sa kanta niya. Pero yun, Criminal, no? Parang I mean, parang medyo nag-gets ko na yung pinaka niya kasi sinasabi niya yung I'm a kleptomania. No. Iba yung kleptomania is yung parang di nila maiwasan na magnakaw. Ganun. So parang sinasabi niya siya na criminal siya kasi parang di niya maiwasang, alam mo yun, kuhain yung, parang niya sinabi yun. Sorry, nakalimutan ko yun. I'm sorry, this taas sa balls niya eh.
I'm a criminal, what can I? Take it off tonight. I don't wanna music, I just wanna forget. Need an antidote,
Take it all
yeah.
tonight.
I'm a criminal, what can I? Take it off tonight.
Take it all
I don't wanna
tonight.
music, really hate to break it. Ain't this clip to me?
Mania.
Liquor drawn so high, we're spinning a why. Poison in my blood stuck on me. Blink an eye, I will let you say how How boy, you let me take it? Running in my mind, just stop it. Why can't I have you? Was so confused every single time.
Why can I have you? Was the confused every single time, no? Man. So, I mean, nung una kasi, you know me guys, no? Mahilig ako sa mga antan medyo double entendre and, you know, meaningful. Pwede kasing sabihin natin dito na, ba't di kita makuha? Gusto ko kitang makuha na kleptomania, gusto ko kitang nakawin, no? Pwede nga sabihin yun sa babae, no? In a sexy time way, no? At the same time, pwedeng in a romantic way, no, na gusto ko kitang makuha. Pero at the same time, no, pwede mo siyang sabihin na, yung, for example, sa career niya, yung sa craft niya, no, gusto niyang makuha yung paano ba to? Dito? Paano ba sabihin to? Yung makuha yung gusto niya makuha tungkol sa craft niya. But, you know, sa pagkanta, sa pagiging entertainer, sa pagpa-perform, di ba? Gusto niyang makuha yung lahat. No? I mean, lahat naman tayo gusto makuha yung lahat sa gusto nating ano, no? Career, no? No? Yeah.
Let me take it. Running in my mind, just stop it. Why can't I have you? Was so confused every single time. Trying to make a scene, yeah. Yeah.
Was the confused every single time, di ba? Bakit parang, ba't di na lang ba pwedeng makuha kita? Bakit parang may pinag-iisipan pa natin or parang nagpipilitan ba? Ganda na.
Trying to save myself, yeah, yeah. I'm so addicted, hot, yeah. 743, I'm not myself, yeah, yeah. Swear you gotta do this to me. Feel me, don't provoke me. How about you just give it to me? Think I got mixed personalities.
I just want to take you off my mind.
Hey!
Take your time.
Wait!
I just want to.
No, fuck, man. That's the sickest flow switch, no? Voice switch pa nga rin, no? Na napakinggan ko, no? What the fuck? I just like it.
Think I got mixed personality.
Natin yun. That's
Yeah,
sick,
yeah.
man.
I'm so addicted, hot, yeah. 743, I'm not myself, yeah, yeah. Swear you gotta do this to me. Feel me, don't provoke me. How about you just give it to me? Think I got mixed personalities.
I just want to take you off my mind. Take your time. I just want to take you off my mind.
Diba? I just wanna take you off my mind. Diba? Kasi, pag gusto kong makuha yung isang bagay, diba? Iniisip siya ng iniisip, diba? So, gusto na kitang makuha, no? Parang hindi ko naiisipin na gusto kitang makuha kasi nakuha na kita, no?
Just take your time.
You know I can take it, huh? No, I can take it, yeah. You know I can take it, huh? You know I can take it, yeah.
The flip, no? Sa salitang can and can't take it, diba? Pag-open ng kanta, na-introduce na sa atin yung gusto niyang mangyari, diba? Gusto ko itong makuha, diba? At the same time, then, I just wanna take you off my mind, no? Another play ng salitang take it or, you know, can't take it. Na gusto ko tang tanggalin na sa isip ko kasi yun na nga gusto ko tang makuha. Ayoko nang tatang isipin kasi gusto ko tang makuha, no? Pero at the same time, I can't take it. Diba? Hindi ko na kaya, no? So, kasi gusto ko na makuha kung ano yan. Hindi ko na kaya. Click that.
Take your time.
Hey.
You know I can take it, huh?
Diba?
You know I can take it.
Take it.
You know I can take it, huh? You know I can take it.
Yeah, pwede rin, you know, I can take it. It's a sexy time, baby.
Yeah.
You know I can take it now. I can take it now. I can take it now. Yeah. You know I can take it now. I can take it now.
Kasi, wait. Ang dami na nating post dito, no? Pero pag Philip, no? How many voice change ba gusto mo sa kantang to? Yes.
Yeah, you know I can take it, huh? You know I can take it, yeah.
You know I can take it now, I can take it now,
Take it
I can
now.
take it now, yeah.
Let's
You know I
go.
can take it now, I can take it now, I can take it now, yeah. You know I can take it now, I can take it now, I can take it now, yeah. You know I can take it now, I can take it now, I can take it now.
Who's the money? Something I wanna see a little day. Ano na pagdugibali dire? Ay ko pahulat dali dire. Ay kahalo ko bali dire. I'm so obsessed a little day. I gotta just
That's the fucking sexy time, man. Diba? Ayaw kahadlok ali dire. Unsa man ni ali dire, man. Again, Bisaya siya, no? And alaman na natin na Bisaya si Philip, no? Doon sa album niya, Seven Sins, no? Pero yun nga, sabi niya doon, unsa man ni ali dire. Parang, ano ba yan? Halika dito. Ayaw kahadlok, huwag ali dire. Huwag ka matakot, halika dito.
I can take it now, I can take it now, I can take it now, yeah. You know I can take it now, I can take it now, I can take it now, yeah. You know I can take it now, I can take it now, I can take it now.
Who's the money? Something I wanna see a little day. Ano na pagdugibali dire?
Sabi niya, ayaw na pagdugay ba? Ali dire, huwag mo na patagalin. Halika na dito.
Ay ko pahulat dali dire.
Ayan, ayaw og pahulata, halidire, huwag mo na akong pag-intayin. Halika dito.
Ay kahadlok na ko bali dire.
Ayan, ayaw kahadlok na ako ba, halidire. Huwag kang matakot sa akin, halika dito.
I'm so obsessed a little day.
I'm so obsessed, halika dito.
Uncover that I gotta say. Something I wanna see a little day.
Let's go.
Pagdugibali dire. Ay ko pahulat dali dire.
Dire,
Ay kahadlok na
hey.
ko bali dire. I'm so obsessed a little day. I gotta just wanna say. Uncover that I gotta say.
I'm coming out, can I? Take it off tonight. I don't wanna miss it, I just wanna forget me.
No. Narinig mo yung layer ng vocals, no? Na iba-iba yung tono, yung pitch. At the same time, yung nag-harmonize, nag-vocalize sa background, no? Parang lahat ng mga boses na ginawa niya is nag-harmonize sa background. Nice, man. Tas dito sa parang R&B na flow niya na part ng kanta. Ganda.
Uncover that I gotta say.
I'm coming out, can I? Take it off tonight. I don't wanna miss it, I just wanna forget me. An antidote, yeah.
Yo, yeah.
Can I? Take it off tonight.
Tonight,
I
ay.
don't wanna miss it, relax, break it. Ain't this
It's like Kryptomania.
Just want to take you off my mind.
Let's go.
Take your time. I just want to take you off my mind. Just take your time.
Ooh. Let's go. Alright, man, that's Philip, no? Criminal Official Visualizer, man. Na-enjoy ko yung antang yun, no? Na-enjoy ko yung antang yun. Walang dull moment, walang part ng kanta na parang filler, na parang itong part ng kanta to medyo boring, no? Wala, man. At the same time, makikita mo dito kung gaano ka-flexible si Philip as an artist, no? R&B, no? Rap. At the same time, yung pagbabago-bago niya ng flow, yung pagbabago-bago niya ng boses, no? Napakaganda nun, diba? Yung iba kasi ginagamit nila yung flow, pag-switch ng flow, no? Para may shock value. Na minsan yung nag-beat switch and then flow switch, no? Pero sa kanya hindi eh. Voice switch, man. Voice switch. But yeah, no? So again, yun yung pagkakaintindi ko sa kanta. Like, criminal na, yun na nga, yung unang-una is yung in a sexy way, no? I mean, most probably yun yung parang pinaka-base nung kanta, ng meaning ng kanta, yung sexy way na parang gusto kitang makuha. gusto ko i-uncover yan, gusto ko makita, di ba? Gusto ko makita pag tinanggal mo yung nakatakip sa'yo, no? Alidiri. And at the same time, no, pwede nating interpret siya as like in a romantic way, no? Again, pwede mo i-extend yun in that way na parang gusto kong makita, no? Yung kung sino ka talaga, gusto kong mapasakin ka, diba? I'm so obsessed with you. And also, sa music and sa career, no? And sa gustong marating ni Philip, no? Sa karera niya, no? Na gusto niyang makuha yun. I'm so obsessed with you, diba? Ang daming may ayaw, no? Ang daming may ayaw sa akin, ang daming may ayaw sa amin, no? Why can I can just take it, no? Bakit parang ang dami pang sinasabi, ang dami pang, you know, dami pang humaharang, no? Why can I just take it, no? But I'm a criminal because again, parang yun na nga, kahit ano mangyari, I'm gonna take it, diba? I'm gonna steal it. I feel like I'm kleptomania, no? So, ang daming layers ng kantang yun, no? Ang daming layers ng kanta, napaka-meaningful ng kanta at the same time, and that's a fucking vibe, no? It's a fucking vibe song. Shit, man. I'm getting confused now, no? Again, I don't know sa inyo, ang dami na nagsabi sa inyo na yung Rockstar is pang intro lang, pero I mean, I feel like that's still my vibe, no? Yung gusto mong yung vibe sa sarili mo, alam mo yun, that's still my fucking music, no? Vibe, no? Actually, pinatugtog ko yung ngayong umaga, no? Bago ako mag-shoot dito habang nagkakape, no? I mean, kakagising ko lang din kasi ng mga ilang oras na right now it's 6:56 ng umaga, no? But yeah, I mean, again, Stray Dogs, I feel like that's a straight up sound trip, no? Na pwede mong patugtugin. And Criminal as well, no? So, ayokong i-level yung Stray Dogs sa kanila. Kasi yung Stray Dogs, kasi ewan ko, man, parang may iba akong nararamdaman doon. Parang, I feel like yun yung nagiging, team song ko, yung background music ko sa buhay. Pero, so parang ayoko siyang gawing parang sound trip, no? Pero, between Stray Dogs and Criminal, ang hirap pumili, man. Kasi the Criminal is a fucking vibe, man. But yeah, that's a reaction for today. Sana nagustuhan nyo. Leave like and subscribe. And just comment down below again kung ano yung gusto nyo nating sunod sa journey natin dito sa Complex EP ni Philip. And yeah, that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. Stay awesome. Peace.